got new roses. Put this in the trash. Another rose right here. There's only about 100 graves here. There's probably like 40 of these. These are like the originals. So again, the Church of Mormon is going to come through. They already got those cut, and we will. Every grave will have these. Again, if you got a vase, you can put that. But we're trying to keep the cemetery authentic to what they would have done, what they have the house, or at their jobs. A lot of these. Be careful right here. A lot of these graves they were built. 1990s, 1920s, 1930s. This one, over there. So instead of trying, the other cool project too is that we've had some graves that are made for people. So a lot of these ceramic crosses, there's a lady, Nancy, I forgot her last name. She's making these ceramic crosses for these graves that are here. And if you want to make a grave, stone or something, you obviously wouldn't do it now, but if something that you want to do at your house, out of wood, out of metal, out of concrete, out of tile, you can definitely build that any way that you want. It doesn't have to be perfect, because what these individuals built, it wasn't perfect, right? They did what they did at their house, what they could, just to honor their loved ones. Again, I do believe that they did plant trees. We know for sure that some of these individuals planted trees because there wasn't an actual